The InstaCuppa blender bottle has a motor of 230 watt with 22,000 RPM. It has a capacity of 450 ml which is marked on it. You get 3 blending modes with this blender bottle. First is the quick blend mode, for which you need to single press the button and it will run for 20 seconds and automatically stop. Next is the pulse mode, which you need to activate by double pressing the button. After you activate it, you can keep the button pressed, and as long as you keep it pressed, the blender will run. The pulse mode will get deactivated after 5 seconds of inactivity. With the lock mode, you can hold the power button and lock the blender. That is, after it's locked, it will not run even if you single press or double press the button. To unlock, you need to again hold the button for a few seconds till you see blue light, and after this you will be able to use your blender as you do. The jar is made of durable ABS food grade material and you get sharp stainless steel blades which give you best results. It's equipped with safety mechanism, that is, it does not run without the jar, and even if you place the jar, you need to align the arrows. Only if the arrows are aligned, your blender will work. This blender bottle is USB rechargeable and has a battery capacity of 4000 mAh. It recharges in just 1 to 2 hours. So let's start with making avocado for guacamole. To get that perfect coarse texture, add a little water and then use the pulse mode. Double press the power button to activate and then use the pulse mode to get the desired consistency. To make mango shake, I'm adding some chopped mangoes, chilled milk and powdered sugar. Just place the lid and press the blend button. Within 20 seconds, you'll get perfect smooth and creamy mango milkshake. Now I'm adding some lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, honey, salt, Italian herbs. I'm making salad dressing. Use the blend mode to get the perfect salad dressing. In 20 seconds, you'll get the perfect salad dressing for a variety of salads. I believe this blender is perfect for busy moms.